Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix lag in Honor of Kings. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the game and sign into your account. Tap the lag icon at the top right to check your current MS or ping. Next, tap the settings icon next to it and select Player Support. Here, make sure your region is correct. Tap Change Region, read the prompt, and select a server close to your location. For example, if you are in Europe, choose the country nearest to you and confirm your selection. If the lag continues, close the game and go to your phone settings. Search for iPhone storage if you are on iOS or App Storage on Android. Find Honor of Kings in the list. Tap it and choose Offload App or Clear Cache. After that, tap Reinstall or open the game again. This will refresh the installation and may reduce lag. If you still experience lag, try switching your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi to see if the connection improves. So that's basically how you can fix lag in Honor of Kings. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.